Now we have to design our business operating system. We need to understand what is a system. If it's not documented, it's not a system. System has three components primarily. One is your input, second is some form of processing, and then the outcome. So you will feed in something into the system, and then you have some formula, some calculation, some logic. Based on that, every time it gives you predictable result, then you can say it's a system. To complete it, we need to have a feedback loop where we review कि जो outcome आया है क्या ये desired outcome से aligned है कि नहीं, so that whatever corrections need to be done, we make those corrections here. We improve our input so that every time the system is improving itself. This one system is affected by its environment. If there is sun or there is something external factor, this always will affect the efficiency or productivity or functionality of this system. अगर यहाँ पर sun absent है, system नहीं चलने वाला. You have to show up. Soulless में काम नहीं करना. You need to do marketing, because role of marketing function is what? To get SQL lead, sales qualified lead. In between there are many micro systems. This becomes the input for your second system in the process, which is called sales. The sales का function क्या है, outcome क्या है? Convert, make them paying customer. So this becomes the input. अगर आपकी marketing ही सही से काम नहीं कर रही, तो आपका sales कैसे काम करेगा? और अगर आपने sales की अपने system properly define कर दिए, which will consistently give you your customers, this becomes the input for your delivery team, which is your ops team, जिनका काम है to deliver remarkable customer delight or delivery, so that customer talk about यार कितना बढ़िया काम करते हैं ये लोग. I will recommend to other people also. Let me give you a good review and also let me give you a repeat business. मेरा दूसरा भी काम आ रहा है, उसके बारे में बात करना. फाइनेंस की जब बात करो तो भाई there is no profit, very low profit पे काम कर रहे हैं, या कैश फ्लो तो है ही नहीं, पैसा तो मार्केट में है, या आया ही नहीं, या बैड डेट है, whatever. So this becomes your input for finance team, and then यहाँ से कुछ निकालोगे तो फिर बाद में abundance की बात अलग से करना. This entire system is affected by few things. There are three sun, okay, जो इस पूरे सिस्टम को जो आप डिफाइन करोगे इफेक्ट करते हैं, which is your Monday morning meeting. अगर आपके पास business soul card नहीं है, you don't have right numbers to talk about, and then very important is if you don't have a ACE meeting, which is align, commit and execute, where you're aligning your team is committing to the goal of the company or the goal of the team, and then they are executing whatever they have committed for that week. अगर ये तीन चीजें मिसिंग है, आपके नीचे वाला सिस्टम नहीं चलेगा या उतना इफेक्टिव नहीं चलेगा.